Okay, today I want to show you some of the basic functions on our Lowrance Eagle 5. This is your chart plotter screen that shows you all your maps. All the yellow on here, of course, is landmass. Don't ever go there. All the blue is water. It does give you cartography on the map, showing you the depth before you even arrive. Information provided on here is your speed, the depth, and the water temperature. Now, the one thing you can do is you can zoom out if you want to zoom out further, or if you want to, you can zoom right in on top of you for close shore navigation. The other thing that you can do is you can pan around the map and look at a place before you even get there. Anytime you use the directional pad and pan around the map, you want to make sure that when you're done, hit the X button so it locks you back into the center of the screen and still tracks you. Now, by hitting your Pages button here at the top left-hand corner, this is going to bring you up to your main home screen. So this is where you can select the chart, the sonar, downscan, or split screen pages. Let's check out Sonar. Now that we've selected the sonar screen, it shows you the bottom contour, tells you the depth, the water temperature, the depth, and your current speed, just like on your GPS screen, so you still retain that information. All right, so the next one I want to talk about is downscan. Downscan is just like your traditional sonar, only it's much newer technology, and as you could see from the previous, it is much cleaner and clearer to use. Now, also available is you can split screen, so that way you can, I'll select this one right here. So as you can see, now I have both my chart plotter and my depth sounder fish finder working at exactly the same time, so you have all the information you could ever want.